Hi students, now we are going to see about searching and sorting in Python. First is linear search. Linear search in searching it is the process of determining whether or not a given value exists in data structure or a storage media. There are two searching methods are used in one-dimensional arrays. They are linear search and binary search. The linear search algorithm on an array is sequentially scan the array, compare each array item with the searched value. If the match is found, return the index of the matched element. Otherwise, it returns the value as -1. Then binary search. Binary search uses a recursive method to search an array to find a specified value. The array must be a sorted array, that is a of 0 less than or equal to a of 1 less than or equal to a of 2, likewise a of final index. If the value is found means its index is returned. If the value is not found means -1 is returned. Then binary search, an algorithm to solve this task looks at the middle of the array or array element first. If the value looked for is smaller than the value in the middle of the array, then the second half of the array or array segment can be ignored. This strategy is then applied to the first half of the array or array segment. If the value looked for is larger than the value in the middle of the array, then the first half of the array can be ignored. This strategy is then applied for the second half of the array. If the value looked for is at the middle of the array or array segment, then it has been found. If the entire array has been searched in this way without finding the value, then it is not in the array. This is the pseudocode for binary search. A of first less than or equal to A of first plus 1 less than or equal to A of first plus 2 up to A of last. To locate the key value, if first greater than last means return -1. Else, we have to find out the middle value, that is mid equal to approximate middle point between first and last. If key is equal to A of mid, if the key value is equal to that of the value we are finding means return the mid value that we have found out the value. Else, if k less than a of mid means if the key value is less than the middle value means return the result of the searching of first through a of mid minus 1. Else, if key greater than a of mid, key value is greater than the middle value means return the result of the searching a of mid plus 1 through a of last. Then this is the recursive method for binary search. Int result equal to 0 if first greater than last, result -1. Else mid equal to middle is equal to first plus last by 2. If the key value is equal to middle means result equal to mid, else result equal to first or last. Then checking the search method. There is no indefinite recursion on each recursive call. The value of the first is increased if the chain of the recursive call does not end in some other way, then eventually the method will be called with first then the last. Each stopping case performs the correction action. If first greater than last means there are no array elements between the A of first and A of last, so key is not in this segment of the array, so the result is -1. If the key is equal to mid means result is correctly set to the middle. For each of the cases that involve the recursion, if all recursive calls perform their actions correctly, then the entire case performs correctly. If key greater than A of mid, then key must be one of the elements A of mid plus 1 through A of lost or it is not in the array. The method should then search only those elements which it does. The recursive call is correct, therefore, the entire action is correct. The method search passes all three tests. Then, efficiency of binary search. The binary search algorithm is extremely fast compared to an algorithm that tries all array elements in order. About half the array is eliminated from consideration right at the start, then a quarter of the array, then an eighth of the array, and so forth. Thank you.